It is a Wednesday. Hope you have the week off. I know a lot of folks do. A lot of kids out of school. Thanksgiving, right? Weather's looking great. Things are turning around. You're looking at the satellite image right here. What do we got? We got the winter storm warning stays in effect for the next few hours in the mountains. Getting a lot of snow in the Southern Sierra, Mammoth Mountain area. Some surf along the coast, but not that big. Valley fog, I guess, is the thing. And then you've got this atmospheric river that is no longer to the north, but to the south of us. You can kind of see it here, the northern edge of the atmospheric river. Most of the dynamics are further south. So with that said, we head into the forecast, and it includes some clouds today. Let's push a little, let's see if I can push a little motion on this thing here. There you go. This is my favorite shot, Mount Tam, looking towards San Francisco. And that's kind of the day. This is the last 2 or 3 hours. And I love the cloud shear, right? Higher clouds going this way, lower clouds going that way. It's awesome. That's all shear is, right? Two different wind directions, essentially. And so that's what we've got there. A few scattered showers up there. This is down in Mount Hamilton. And I could put a loop. I can't put a loop on that, but if I could, I would. And no snow on Mount Hamilton, but some sprinkles and showers, especially from Mount Hamilton south. Let's take a look at the radar, and you'll see what I mean. Whoops, there's my screensaver. Here's the radar, and you can see the showers. Here's Mount Hamilton kind of down in here. You see a few clouds. A lot of this rain on the radar not showing up on the radar because the radar is down here in Mount Umunum, down the Santa Cruz Mountains. Don't ask me why. I mean, I can tell you why, but we'll get into that another time, why it's so far from the Bay Area. It's a Doppler radar installation, but it's up high. It's up over a couple thousand feet. And so when the radar beam shoots, it sweeps, right? The radar sweeps around in a circle, but it sweeps around in a circle at different angles as it clicks through these angles as it's sweeping. And so the angle, even the lowest angle, that first click, because it goes like this, even the first angle coming off of the MUX radar, which is Mount Umunum, it is well up into the atmosphere, up over 10,000 feet or so. I should know the exact elevation, but it overshoots the rain. The scattered showers coming out underneath. Bigger raindrops, bigger events, you're picking up the raindrops because the raindrops are higher up in the cloud. In this case, the raindrops are smaller, they're down lower in the cloud, and we don't see what's happening here as well on these kinds of events. But what we do see happening well is these areas here, and you can see this is up on the west slope of Sierra Nevada. This is the southern edge of the atmospheric river, or the northern edge of the atmospheric river. And you can kind of see that. Well, we'll see that in the models as we push into this a little more. So back to Mount Umunum, and then we go to CalTrans. This is 50, and because of that southerly pitch to the atmospheric river, they're getting snow. I mean, it's snowing on 50. Let's see what's got any cars moving right now. It looks like there have been a few cars moving through in the past. It's kind of fun, the CalTrans cameras, right? I mean, I'm warm coffee, I've got a nice warm sweatshirt on, I'm in my warm house, and I'm watching it snow. Oh, that's awesome. It's awesome. You know, the other thing is interesting as we go through these pictures is the, let's see if I can catch this up here. Here we go. The constant stories we do about, this is 80 Kingvale. Yeah, they're screening for chains at least. Maybe they're chaining up over the top by now, but the snow's coming down. This is on 80. I was going to say the deal here with the busiest travel day of the year. Every god year we say, and we do it too, Channel 2. That's why we're at KTU Channel 2. But it's like, you know, the Department of Travel and Resources says busiest travel. And every year we do the story and we show I-80, it's empty on Friday, it's empty on Wednesday. I mean, it's such a weird thing. It is such a weird thing. It's going to be the busy, how do you know? What are you basing it on? It's such a weird deal. It's freaking getaway Thanksgiving week. Yeah, people are going to be moving around, but I just don't know if we need to quantify it every year, because every year it's the busiest, which makes me question, is that the case? I know, just a little bit of insight there. Okay, so this is Truckee. So we're getting snow. That's awesome. I think Truckee's getting snow as well. Look at that. But you can see it, again, lee side of the mountain. not getting as much, and traffic's moving. There's a lot of snow on that car. So perhaps there is a lot of snow on the pass right now. Looks like there could be. Ocean Beach. We talked about water quality the other day. It is still not good. You can see a little color in the water. It's fascinating. Again, we talked about all that water coming out through the gate, and it ends up at Ocean Beach. That's why the sandbars are so good. Great highway, not going there. Oh, computer model. This is the atmospheric river right here, and you can see it's further to the south. And if I push through here, over time, goes away. See ya. And a little pinch there. I'm going way down the road now. I'm into next week. A little bit of moisture there, but not much. So here is the forecast model. And this is this afternoon. Bay Area. I'll put a circle around it. And you can see it says see ya. Now here's the bitching part. I can say bitching because I'm not on TV. That's the other thing about these. I always kind of go, we all talk kind of surly. Newsrooms do that. Newspapers used to do that in the newsroom. But you do too, right? We all kind of drop F-bombs and S-bombs and stuff. That's effing awesome, whatever. And the thing about TV for 35 years is it's kind of weird because that's how I talk anyway. But it's weird to, it kind of feels good to say bitching on that. But this is awesome. Check it out. Ooh, dude, dry right through Wednesday and Thursday. So we're in good shape, man. Weather looks good. Little something there. I mean, I'm into a week from now. So we are in good shape in terms of weather this week for the holiday week. Valley fog. I won't get into the dynamics of valley fog because I don't think I don't feel like doing it right now. But that valley fog, radiation fog, tule fog, all the same thing. There's going to be a bunch of that in the Central Valley on 99 and on 5. So this is kind of a low-key weather briefing just because we're not into an atmospheric river. I mean, that last one, biblical, all-time, especially for Santa Rosa, over a foot of rain, all-time record in Santa Rosa, which isn't easy to do. Those records go back. Okay, 5-day forecast. I hope you have a great week. I hope you're good with the holidays. I hope that you have your family around. I hope that I hope it's everything you want it to be. Holidays, there's a lot of pressure on holidays. A lot of pressure, and I understand that. And I think we all feel it, but when it all works, it all works. It's not always great for everybody, but I think most people kind of get into it, and it really does provide sort of a cleansing, if you will. And as we go into the holiday season, I wish you the best and your family. Thanks for hanging in, and I won't see you tomorrow. No, I'll probably see you tomorrow. Okay.